Plug it in and get ready to rock.
Sit your ass down with the hands of the clock.
With Renegade Pineapple so sublime.
Like, comment, subscribe. It's time! Yeah.
Hello and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank in what is possibly the final episode?
We've said that a million times, but we're super
No,
serious.
I kept saying we were near the end, but I think this might actually be the final episode. If
Oh.
not a penultimate one. If not, we make it one episode that's slightly longer.
Yeah, and if not, I don't know. You've experienced something.
If not, it's Rusty Banana Doors. I don't know.
Rusty banana.
If not,
balls.
it's Dickelodeon.
Dickelodeon.
You're never doing the fucking jingle right, man. It's Dick, 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 Dickelodeon. There's a trespasser thing on your left.
Oh, this is gonna be fuckery.
And we're gonna skip this,
Yeah.
cause it's fucking tedious.
Yeah, got it.
Oh, sick. Okay, we're back, we did it. Well, I say we did it, I didn't do shit. I looked at my phone for a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna escape these guys because I haven't got much life left.
Yeah, you only got two, you might as well try and keep hold of it. So if you can't buy health from Gadgetron, because now that you can use it wherever you want, you could just refill your health constantly. If you have enough bolts.
So, yeah, I've
Start
got
off, yeah. That's the way you gotta go.
Click, 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 click. Poop. Right. Now I've got my silly side out.
Yeah, finally you're letting go of that silly side.
Yes, finally.
There'll be no more stupid things from you, definitely. That's all gone now.
That made me a lie.
Is there water?
Yes,
Where
there
can you
is.
get the water?
Oh, now I've put the aqua thing away. Now I need
Yeah, because you barely use it anymore.
Yeah.
This is just going to be a level that makes you use all of your gadgets because it's the final level.
Pretty much.
Drain that shit. Get down there and butt stop that shit. So even like buying the new weapon, you don't have to go to a Gadgetron thing anymore. You can just buy it wherever you want. Whenever you get 3,000.
Yeah.
That's pretty tight. You're 4,000, what is it, 30,000?
Yeah. But
Yeah, you're 4,000 short at the moment, I think. Or slightly under that. These fucking guys.
And a tank.
4 of them.
No. Not today.
That's
Not
dodging.
today.
Track some minions over there to deal with them frogs, and you can run and hide behind the blue thing.
Oh, they could deal with a tank as well. I completely forgot about that.
Can they?
Yeah.
I
Watch.
would have thought they'd be too small. Quick, 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 quick. Nice. Yeah, no, they didn't do anything to that tank.
It's because there's a massive gap.
Ah, they can't get over to it.
Go on, there's a massive
They
gap
could
I
figure
didn't
out
know
to
was
go.
there. What is down it? Yeah.
Lava.
No!
Ah, no!
On the plus side, I get all my life back.
Yeah, you're not that far back.
How much have we got? Yeah, I was quite close.
Well, there's a look. Oh, there's a bit. You got to do with that bit as well.
I'm not a million miles away. I wonder what he's going to do with all that water in that gun he's got.
She's gonna go squirt it in Drek's face. The end of this is just you drowning him at gunpoint, water gunpoint. You get your little super soaker out and just drown him.
Curses! Who knew my weakness was water?
You ruin his ponytail,
He cuts ponytail off, yeah.
and you make it wet, and he doesn't like that. My
Turns
hair,
into an
it's
emotional
lost
wreck.
its sheen. He melts.
My hair, my beautiful hair.
I'm nothing without you. Got him.
Ah, got him.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Get close to it so it can protect you.
Da, 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 da.
There we go.
Time to do some shopping. Bitches be shopping.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hi. We'll probably see you one last time in the final fight when we run out of ammo mid-fight.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, lots of nice ammo here.
Oh, you're not going to get that thing now, probably.
Yeah, I just
Keep
realised
having
it
to
costs.
spend it on ammo.
Yeah, it costs more to spend it on ammo there than to. No!
Oh, come on, man. Skip, skip, skip ahead. Skip-a-loadian. Hey, we're back and we made it this time. Yay!
Woo, yeah.
Oh shit, yeah, they're in the background. Barely fucking see them, man. What are you shooting? Good dodge. Swift. That was like the Matrix. I've got one more.
What?
Yeah, there. Dodge, dodge.
Good, cool.
You can get closer. You're super far away. Nice.
Oh.
They're gonna drop off more guys. Shoot it now before it does. That was the wrong weapon.
Yeah.
There's two of them on your left.
I
On
see
your
them.
right, sorry. Blow up the ship then, so that it doesn't give you any more.
Got blue one.
Devastate the ship before you kill the last one in case it spawns more once you've cleared them all. I mean, Visibomb the ship. Sorry.
Good
I
shout.
don't remember
Right.
what things are called. Just in case when you get rid of one, it spawns 4 more of them.
Hey, motherfucker. Bye.
And that kills it in 1 as well. There he is.
Oh, you prick.
That's going to be hard to do. You might as well just use the Devastator for the guys. You're close to dying here.
Where's
Play
it gone?
safe, left, right by the
Yeah, I see him.
edge. Oh,
God, you move.
that's it. Where's some health, man? No health around here.
Just in case. You go do
Oh.
thine bidding.
Some of them fell off.
No!
Oh!
Why did he get in my way?
Okay, so we're back. We've cleared everyone out again, just for the frog dudes. The frogoos! They're
That's
kind of
not
like
the
the
frogoos.
frogoos. They're slightly different, but they are little frog people. They're like tiger frogoos.
Tiger frogs.
Ooh, this bit looks platformy.
Yeah, it looks platformy and
In
I
a
do not
platforming
like it.
game, this game is very hard to platform in. Hard to be precise to where you're landing. Oh. Oh. The fact that this is such a challenge in this game is weird. Alright, you're way too close. You're never going to get a gap, are you?
I have to make one for myself.
1, 2, 3. They're shooting 3s every time. Alright, let them shoot 3 times, then pop out and shoot. Oh. Hey. Oh. Hey. Down to 1 though.
And there is no health.
There doesn't seem to be health anywhere in this fucking level. Hopefully there is before you go into like the last boss. Play it safe, you've only got 1!
There was only 3 of them.
But still,
There's health
there. What? Do the other bigger jump. The double up one. Whatever.
No!
You know, jump and then do another up. How'd you do the one where you smash down? Doesn't that go higher? That
It does,
oh,
but...
it doesn't get you up there. Or go further back, see if there's a swing shot thing. If you can't jump up there. No? This seems dumb. No, there isn't. What the fuck? Maybe this isn't the way you're supposed to go in. Or maybe there's another way around.
It is.
Oh, it is. Then why is it so hard to get up there?
Oh, I have an idea. Helicopter. Maybe go a little bit higher in that. Yeah, you go higher in that.
Ah. Oh, so it's just another one of those things of it trying to get you to use all the gadgets. Oh, that's cool. Revitalized. Cool. Still play it safe though. Especially since there's 4 guys over there. One more of them and they could open a burger restaurant.
What would they call it though?
I don't know. Hover pack burger guys.
What, 5 gentlemen.
The 5 Burgerians.
Oh, he's dead. No, he's not dead. Should have died.
No, he is. You can visit on the ship as well. Just to make sure.
Yeah.
You've got enough money to keep buying ammo. Does it really cost you more to buy ammo through the thing rather than go? This is the door on the right. See if there's. It doesn't open. So see if there's health in there. Is that like you're paying for shipping?
Aha! See what you did there.
That would make sense.
Shipping.
Oh, I just meant shipping. No. Wasn't like a you have a ship joke. Just you're paying for delivery. Swing shot time. Right, this must be a bit where if you die, this is where you respawn. Because otherwise you'd have to go way too far back. There's a trespasser thing there as well. So once you've done that, that must be like a checkpoint.
Yeah, got it.
Cool.
Oh shit.
Oh dear. Right next to you. You good. Your friends have helped. We can get by with a little help from our friends.
It's like an episode of Friends, the one where Joey got his frog friends to help him.
Yeah, exactly like
Or
that.
robot friends or something.
The chicken the duck. Oh shit.
Whoa.
Run away. Run away.
Fuck that.
Oh, there's nothing here. Yeah, I can do it from here there.
Yeah.
He's like, nah, man. See you later.
Nah, man.
Wait, on the right, they look like a bit you could get up. Probably just for a bowl or something there.
Oh, shit.
Come on, don't put us back that far.
No!
How does it put you back
That's
all the way to
stupid.
this? We're at full time.
Yeah.
We need to stop. Next episode, we're going to get back to where we were and finish the game up. Because
That was bullshit.
way too far back. Bye.
Bye.
How you look, Mini-Me?
Don't you know about the bird?
Cheap, cheap, cheap. Chuck chuck. Chuck chuck chickadee chuck. That's the noise chickens make, right?
I think so.